Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Nazafi. On this occasion, I will deliver the final report of the MPKM Tax Volunteer for the Country or Renjani program that I participate in at the West Serang Pratama Tax Office. The first is the background. Merdeka Belajar Kampus Merdeka or MBKM is an initiative initiated by the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research, and Technology of the Republic of Indonesia as a step to provide students with the freedom to explore their potential and expertise outside the campus area. One way to document the MBKM program is the Tax Volunteer for the Country or Renjani. It is managed by the Directorate General of Tax in collaboration with higher education institutions. This program provides opportunities for students to be directly involved in the administration process and tax service at the tax service office. Next is program objective. Renjani activity as the main objective to providing students with the opportunity to gain learning experience outside the academic involvement, especially through direct involvement in administration tax and the tax service at the tax service office. More specifically, this activity aims to deepen student understanding of the tax administration process carried out by government institutions as well as train their ability to apply tax theory that have been learned in the class in the real practice. Next is location and schedule. The main location of the activity is at the West Serang Tax Office, but I am also placed in several partners such as government agency, micro, small and medium enterprises, and school. The activity schedule follow office hours, namely Monday to Friday, 8 o'clock to 16 o'clock. Next is role in the program. During the Tax Volunteer for the Country or Renjani program at the West Serang Pratama Tax Service Office, students act as supporter of the tax service and educational agent for the community. Students not only act as interns but also actively assist in the implementation of public service, especially during the annual tax return reporting period. Next is assignment in the program. The first activity is assistance in reporting individual annual tax return at the tax office, which is the main tax during the peak reporting period. In this activity, I am tasked with assisting taxpayer in the process of filling out and reporting tax return online via the DJP online website, including providing guidance on the use DJP online, checking the completeness of data such as MPWP and withholding evidence, and ensuring that the reporting process runs smoothly. The second activity is to conduct office service activities in partner office. Here, my group and I visit company office that need direct tax assistance. The third activity is implementing the tax corner in the Untirta environment. In this activity, I help the taxation process in the campus environment, namely helping taxpayers in the Untirta environment to report their annual tax online through the DJP online website. The fourth activity is tax goes to school. In this activity, my group tasks include preparing presentation equipment, compiling attendance list, managing event logistic document, team activity, preparing research person, and helping to organize the event from start to finish. The fifth activity is mentoring MSME entrepreneur. In this mentoring activity, my group provides explanation about the importance of financial bookkeeping, having a taxpayer identification number, obligation for reporting and paying final MSME income tax, as well as the procedure for online tax reporting for MSME. Next is implementation of graduate learning outcomes in the program. During the Renjani program, I applied various competencies from 8 practicum courses. For example, in assisting with the reporting of annual tax return for individual and corporate taxpayer, I implement theory from the corporate income tax and tax accounting practicum. Document verification activity in off-site service reflect the material from the tax audit practicum. In assisting MSME, I prepare simple financial report based on the principles of the trade and service accounting practicum. I also use digital tax applications such as e-filing and DGB Online, which are aligned with the computer accounting and accounting information system practicum. In addition, I prepare tax education content delivered in English in accordance with the English communication practicum. All of these activities support graduates' learning outcomes and can be converted into credit based on the equivalency of the competencies obtained. Next is acquire competencies. The first skill is technical skill, proficiency in using e-filing and e-form application, understanding of individual tax return and corporate tax return, knowledge of tax regulation, understanding of the Cortex system, information on APWP registration procedure, and information on the process of creating and activating EFIN, plus matching NIC data with NPWP. Next, interpersonal skill, improving communication skill, collaboration, leadership skill, responsibility toward the community, flexibility, and the ability to solve problems, interact socially, understand the data present, and listen well, provide appropriate response, and skill in using technology. Next is problem and solution. The problem, in terms of technical problem that I encountered were technical disruptions such as slow internet connection or the DGB system undergoing maintenance, so that service to taxpayer were hampered. In terms of communication, my obstacle at the beginning of the journey activity, I felt awkward when communicating with taxpayer who had various background and character. And in terms of the time management, sometimes my assistant schedule clashed with my lecture schedule. And the solution, in terms of technical matter, if there is a slow network problem, I usually overcome it by using my personal internet so that I assistant activity continue to run smoothly. In terms of communication, I start to get used to being more activity and polite when serving taxpayer and practicing conveying information in a coherent and easy to understand manner. Meanwhile, for time management, I usually extend assistance schedule with Ranjani participant or provide assistance after my lecture schedule is finished. Next is conclusion and suggestion. The Ranjani program has given me valuable experience. This program has successfully bridged the theory that I learned in college with practice in the field, thus strengthening my readiness to enter the workforce and fostering a sense of responsibility as a tax-abiding citizen. My suggestion for the future, there needs to be more in-depth technical training before students are sent to the field. That way, students will be more prepared, confident, and able to provide maximum service. That's all I can present regarding the final report of MBKM. Thank you for your attention and opportunity. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.